Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is AJTV, kung saan ating pag-aaralan ang mga pangunahing kaalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. And for today's video, we're going to talk about division of polynomials. To divide polynomials, like in multiplication, we need to understand two things. And what are those? Number one, rules in dividing integers. And number two, laws of exponents. Kung babalikan po natin yung ating nakalipas na videos regarding rules in dividing integers, nakalagay po doon na when we divide two integers with different sign, the quotient is always negative. At kapag magkaparehas naman yung sign, magiging positive. Sa laws of exponent naman, gagamitin po natin yung laws of exponent regarding division, kung saan yung exponent ng mga variable ay isusubtract natin only kung magkaparehas yung variable. For example, we have 4a cubed minus 10a squared plus 8a divided by 2. So isa-isahin po natin itong mga terms na to, i-divide natin lahat sila kay 2a. So start muna tayo kay 4a cubed divided by 2a. Pares naman silang positive, kaya positive pa rin yung sagot. So, ang answer for this first term is 2a squared. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, bakit po siya naging a squared? Kasi we have 3 here and then 1 here. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, let's go with the second term. Negative 10 divided by positive 2. Since magkaiba sila ng sign, magiging negative yung sagot natin. So, 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. And then, sa variable naman natin, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, kapag 1 na ang exponent, hindi na natin siya isinusulat. Kaya ang final answer natin for the second term is negative 5a. And then, yung last term natin, positive 8a divided by positive 2a. So, pares naman silang positive, kaya ang answer natin ay positive din. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, bakit po nawala na yung variable? Kasi 1 minus 1 ay 0 na. So, makakancel lang sila. Kaya, di na natin isusulat yung variable. So, the final answer for this one is 2a squared minus 5a plus 4. Another example. X to the 6th power plus 7x to the 5th power minus 5x to the 4th divided by x squared. So, i-divide ulit natin silang lahat doon kay x squared. So, start na natin. X to the 6 divided by x squared. So, since parehas naman silang walang numerical coefficient, so of course, ang answer natin, wala ring numerical coefficient. Ang gagawin lang natin, i-minus natin yung exponent nila. So, 6 minus 2 ay 4. Kaya ang first term natin ay x to the 4th power. Next, 7x to the 5th divided by x squared. So, both positive, kaya positive pa rin yung sagot natin. So, since ito ay 7 at ito ay automatic magiging 1, 7 divided by 1 is 7. And then yung variable niya, 5 minus 2 ay 3. Kaya magiging second term natin ay 7x cubed. Next, negative 5x to the 4th divided by x squared. So, again, ito po ay may 1 dito. Kaya ang i-divide natin ay 5 divided by 1. So, isang negative, isang positive. Kaya ang answer natin ay negative. So, 5 divided by 1 is 5. And then, 4 minus 2 is 2. So, ang ating final answer for this one ay x to the 4th power plus 7x cubed minus 5x squared. Another. So, ito po yung ibang itsura ng ating division of polynomials. Yung kanina, yung normal na itsura ng division. Pero in this case naman, naka-fractional form siya. So, yung fraction is also division. Okay. So, start na natin. So, kapag ganito yung case, ganun pa rin naman. Isa-isa natin silang i-divide lahat kay 2mn or kay negative 2mn. So, parang ganito. Si 4m squared, m to the 4th power, n to the 4th power. I-divide natin siya kay negative 2mn. So, isang positive, isang negative. Expect na natin ang sagot natin ay negative. Ayan, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then 4 minus 1 ay 3. And then 4 minus 1 ay 3. Kaya ang ating first term ay negative 2m cubed n cubed. So next, si negative 8m cubed n to the fourth naman at saka si negative 2mn. So parehas negative, kaya ang ating second term ay positive. 8 divided by 4, 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then 3 minus 1 ay 2, 4 minus 1 ay 3. So ang ating second term ay 4m squared n cubed. Next, si 6mn cubed naman at si negative 2mn. Isang positive, isang negative. So ang ating magiging answer ay negative. And 6 divided by 2 ay 3. 1 minus 1 ay 0, kaya hindi na natin isusulat si m dahil eliminate na siya. And then 3 minus 1 ay 2. Kaya ngayon, ang ating final answer ay negative 2m cubed n cubed plus 4m squared n cubed minus 3n squared. Next, we have 27y to the fourth plus 6y squared minus 18 divided by negative 6y. Ganun pa rin. Isa-isahin natin. So, si 27y to the fourth at saka si negative 6y. Yan, isang positive, isang negative. Ibig sabihin ang answer natin ay negative. So, hindi po pwedeng i-divide si 27 at si negative 6. So, hindi po siya exact yung sagot. Kaya, i-remain muna natin silang fraction. So, that is negative 27 over 6. So, yung negative sign niya ay nasa gitna ng fractional form. And then, 4 minus 1 is 3. Kaya, y cubed. Next, yung gitna naman, isang positive 6y squared at saka si negative 6y. So, positive divided by negative ay negative. So, bakit naging y na lang? Kasi 6 divided by 6 ay 1 at automatic na po siyang 1 at di na siya sinusulat. The same sa exponent niya, 2 minus 1 is 1. Di na rin yun sinusulat. Kaya, y na lang ang ilalagay natin. And then, yung last term natin, negative divided by negative ay yan, positive. So, 18 divided by 6 is 3. And then, dahil walang y dito, ibig sabihin, 0 yon. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Kaya po, negative 1 yung answer natin dito. So, ito po yung ating answer. Pero, hindi po yan yung naka-simplest form. Isi-simplify pa po natin yan. I-reduce natin sa lowest term. Tingnan muna natin yung first term natin. Si 27 over 6 ay pwede po pong i-simplify. Both of them are divisible by 3. Pwede natin silang i-divide kay 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, ang ating answer dyan ay negative 9 over 2y cubed. So, yung gitna naman ay okay na yan, kaya ganyan na rin siya. Yung last term naman natin, kung babalikan natin laws of exponent, kapag po siya ay negative, ililipat lang natin siya ng location. So, in this case, ito po ay nasa numerator kasi di ba ang whole number, automatic, ang denominator niyan ay 1. So, si y ay negative at nasa numerator siya. Kung gagawin natin siyang positive, ilalagay lang natin siya sa ilalim. Kaya ang ating final answer ay negative 9 over 2y cubed minus y plus 3y. Another example, 17a cubed plus 8a squared plus 12a plus 7 divided by 2a. So, meron po tayong apat na terms. So, start na tayo. Start tayo kay 17a cubed and 2a. Hindi po sila pwedeng i-divide, kaya naka-fraction form lang siya na 17 over 2. But yung pinaka-variable ay pwede naman nating bawasan. 3 minus 1 ay 2, kaya a squared yan. So, next, yung gitna na, yung susunod na term naman, 8a squared divided by 2a. Yan. Parehas naman positive, kaya ang answer natin ay positive. So, 8 divided by 2 ay 4. And then, 2 minus 1 is 1, kaya 4a lang siya. Next, yung third term natin, si 12a at saka si 2a. So, parehas pa rin positive, kaya positive pa rin sagot natin. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then, yung ating pinaka-variable, a ay 1 minus 1, kaya cancel na siya. So, 6 na lang. And then last, si 7 over 2a. So, divide natin. Hindi naman natin yan may divide Kaya naka-fraction form lang yan. 7/2a. So, ang ating final answer ay iyan na. 17/2a squared plus 4a plus 6 plus 7/2a. So, hindi po natin mapapagsama to ha kasi ito po ay nasa numerator at ito naman ay nasa denominator. Okay, to further understand our lesson for today, please answer this activity. Maaari po nating i-post ang video na ito para magkaroon po tayo ng longer time sa pagsasagot. Okay, let us check. For number 1, we have 2n cubed plus 20n squared plus n divided by 10n squared. So, yung first term natin na 2n cubed tsaka 10n squared. So, si 2 at si 10 ay hindi pwedeng i-divide kaya gawin muna natin siyang fraction. 2/10. And then yung variable, 3 minus 2 ay 1 na lang. So, 2n. Next, positive, positive, kaya positive din. Then 20 divided by 10 ay 2. And then 2 minus 2 ay 0, kaya wala na tayong ilalagay na variable. And then, positive, positive, positive 10. So, ito ay considered na meron siyang 1. Kaya 1 at 10 ay hindi pwedeng i-divide. So, susulat muna natin. So, 1/10. Yan. And then, 1 minus 2 ay 1. So, ilalim natin ilalagay dahil mas marami yung n sa ilalim. Next, i-reduce natin sa lowest term. Ang 2 at 10 ay both divisible by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 ay 1. So, matitira sa ibabaw ay n na lang kasi 1 na yun. Then, 10 divided by 2 ay 5. Next, ito ay positive 2 pa din. And then, plus 1/10. Okay. So, ngayon, ayusin na natin yung ating final answer. So, magiging n/5 plus 1/10. And inuna ko po muna yung mga fraction at ilalagay sa dulo yung constant, which is yung 2. So, that is the answer for number 1. For number 2 naman, 16 divided by 4 ay 4. So, wala namang variable yung 4, kaya kakopy na lang natin yung variable ni numerator. Minus 12 divided by 4 ay 3, and then yung x. And then, positive, positive ay positive. Then, 8 divided by 4 ay 2. So, ang final answer natin for number 2 ay 4x squared minus 3x plus 2. Next, for number 3, 8 divided by 8 ay 1. So, since negative to, negative. So, ang 1 din na natin sinusulat, di ba? So, 5 minus 4 ay 1 pa rin. So, h lang. Then, negative divided by negative ay magiging positive yan. 32 divided by 8 ay 4. And then, 4 minus 4, 0. So, hindi na natin isusulat. positive at negative magiging negative. So, 16 divided by 8 ay 2. Then, 3 minus 4 ay negative 1. So, since may negative exponent pa natin, tayo dito, aayusin pa natin yan. So, magiging final answer ay negative h. So, unahin na natin to. Minus 2 over h. So, h lang naman yung may negative, kaya siya lang yung mapupunta sa ilalim. Plus 4. Okay. Next number 4. So, 9 divided by 6, hindi pa natin sila pwedeng i-divide. So, gawin muna natin siyang fraction. And then yung k, 3 minus 2 ay, 3 minus 1 ay 2. So, k squared. So, yung variable po, kung nasaan yung mas malaki, doon natin siya ilalagay. So, since dito, nasa taas yung k cube na mas malaki kay k, kaya nasa ibabaw natin yan ilalagay sa final answer. So, m squared minus m na lang. And then, n minus n. So, pares na silang 1 magiging 0. Wala na tayong sulat. Positive, positive, positive. So, yung 3 and 6, hindi pa natin matidivide agad. Sulat muna natin siya sa fraction. Then, 2 minus 1, 1 na lang. Next, 1 minus 1 magiging 0. And then, 2 minus 1, 1 na lang ulit. Then, positive. Both positive siya. 54 divided by 6 ay 9. So, okay. 1. Ito 1 din. So, 0 na siya. So, 3 minus 1 ay 2. M squared. And then, 1 minus 1 ay 0 na. So, ang ating final answer dito, i-reduce natin to. Para silang pwedeng i-divide kay 3. So, magiging 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, yung ibabaw natin ay 3k squared m over 2 plus, para pwedeng i-divide sa 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, sa ibabaw ay magiging kn na lang. Yung ilalim ay 2. Okay, and then, plus, copy natin yung last term natin na 9m squared. Okay. Next, for number 5, 18 r to the 5th plus 36 r to the 4th plus 27 r cubed divided by 9. 18 divided by 9 ay 2. Ano yung exponent? 5 minus 1 ay 4. So, 2 r to the 4th. Positive, positive, positive pa rin. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then, 27 divided by 3, divided by 9 is 3. And then, r squared. So, yan ang ating final answer. 2 r to the 4th plus 4r cubed plus 3r squared. Okay, so ito po ang ating mga final answer sa mga activity na ito. That's all for today. Sana po ay meron muli tayong natutunan para sa araw na ito. Muli, this is AJTV, kung saan ating pag-aaralan ang mga pangunahing kaalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. Kung meron po tayong mga topic na nais ma-discuss sa mga susunod na video, please comment down below. Hanggang dito na lamang po. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!